to pay for the hair in my tire. Every day I feel like my very life could expire. That's when I call on a Ford that's much higher. And judge a bird fire. Yeah, judge a bird fire. Judge a bird fire. Love, judge a bird fire. Each and every time I walk out on the street, I'm kinda fearful, Lord, of who I might meet. Yeah, it's not like the good old days when brethren and sisters would greet. 'Cause in these times you could get knocked off your feet. Lord, that's why I call on him, Rastafari. That's why I call on Jah, Rastafari. I call on Jah, Rastafari. I call on Jah, His Majesty. So we put our faith in Jah Almighty, and through our consciousness we'll see. We'll make order out of confusion, yeah, and we'll set our minds free. Oh Lord, each and every man and woman, you must have a plan to live in righteousness. You've got to understand. There's so much confusion in this world. Confusion over there, confusion everywhere. Every day in Babylon, the price is getting higher, higher. I even have to pay for the air in my automobile tire, tire. Each day I feel love, my very love will expire. Love, that's when I call on a greater force, one that is much higher. Yeah. Judge a bird fire. Yes, judge a bird fire. I tell you it bird fire. Yeah, it burn bag of wire and all evil doer and all evil conception. Righteousness must stand in this time. Yeah, so when they're dealing with the confusion of life in this situation, yeah, know that Jah is the most high God of creation. Jah will guide you. Yes, He will direct you.